In Milan, Italy, Qianli Galaxy made its world debut with its new 6-seat flagship SUV, delivering dazzling performance. This model not only showcases Qianli's latest achievements in the automotive industry, but also heralds a new trend in the future SUV market. The performance of the Qianli Galaxy M9 is remarkable. According to official figures, the acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour is only 4.5 seconds. Fuel consumption is only 4.8 L/100 km even when the battery is low. The comprehensive cruising range is up to 1,500 kilometers. The new car is also equipped with Qianli Haohan's H5 level driving assistance system and the unique AI Power 2.0 large model in its class, providing the driver with an unprecedented smart experience. The Qianli Galaxy M9 also features a dual-chamber closed air suspension, which further enhances the vehicle's road holding and comfort. In terms of spatial layout, the Qianli Galaxy M9 also performs well. The interior of the new car is 5.2 square meters, with a flat corridor between the second and third rows, making the car's effective length 3.7 meters and its height 1.3 meters. The new car also features 8 seat modes that can be adjusted with one touch to meet the different needs of different passengers. The interior is also remarkable. The overall visual effect of the new car, which features an LCD instrument panel and a dual-screen design, is extremely modern and technological. The size of the center control screen reaches 30 inches and the resolution reaches 6K, bringing unprecedented visual enjoyment to the driver. The overall style and configuration of the interior will undoubtedly further enhance the driving pleasure. In addition to the above-mentioned highlights, the Qianli Galaxy M9 is equipped with a unique AI digital chassis and a new generation AI intelligent cockpit for the first time in its class. The application of these innovative technologies has made the new car take a significant step forward in terms of intelligence. The Qianli Galaxy M9 is also equipped with the Qianli Haohan H5 intelligent safety-assisted driving system with a nationwide mapless NOA function, further enhancing driving safety and convenience.